I think I think I should have switched it over. Oh, there's my raven. Look at how beautiful my raven is. Wow. Oh, shoot. Okay, so you guys missed my raven. My raven was out there. You know, I needed to go the other direction. Look at those waves, y'all. They said that the waves were going to be, I don't know, even the surfers are not out here. They aren't? No surfers. No surfers in sight. Where are they? At school? At Humboldt State University? The Astrovan. That's not my friend, David. That's not his Astrovan, is it? The Mac 3. No, David did have... David's was orange. It disappeared on me. My jewelry... I go to his party where his bus is, and then my mom's jewelry disappears. Can you believe that fucking shit? I swear to God. The Marauders are not nice. Oh, wait. I love you guys. Besos. I'll show you a little more of this gorgeousness. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. And no surfers. I don't know why the surfers are. Sorry, I'm just looking. Do you want to go outside? Come on. He's looking nice, Queenie. Someone's shoes, but they don't know who. No, I think I have a friend who uses these shoes. Really? Yeah. My friend, he's from, he's a wonderful harp player. Kora player, excuse me. Not harp, but Kora. So I think I will give these to him. Come on, Queenie. Are you gonna say hi? She's friendly. How you doing?
Okay, and you?
Good. I saw these shoes and I saw this man that it was playing the kora, and I said he beautifully in front of in Arcata, right? And I said, "Where are you from?" And he said, Burkina Faso or something like that. And I said, that little country that's next to Ghana.
Africa.
Yes. And he says,
Hakuna Matata.
right? And I said, don't you have family? Because his clothes were so dirty that it looked like he hadn't changed in maybe a year. You know what I mean? Like,
Wow.
I know. So I said, I'm going to help you. I'm going to get you some clothes because I could see what size he was. I kind of quickly made it, and I thought I'm going to get him some clothes and help him out. I'll take him to where he can bathe and I'll help him, I may not take him to my house because I live in an elder community. They would all be shocked. They're like, really? She's bringing in homeless men now to the...
But you're a very nice person.
I know, but I don't want to upset my elders. I'm in a retirement community that's my mom's, and I'm fixing her mobile home up. So all around me are people who are in their 80s. I'm 60, so I'm like the young elder. I remember I got
You're
in...
not old at 60.
What? I'm feeling it in my bones. My hip. I used to love horses. You know how girls are about horses, right? I dreamed horses. I'm Hungarian. So my dad used to say to me, because he was half Hungarian, so I'm a quarter, and he'd say, and I looked more Hungarian than him. Like my grandpa said, wow, you gave birth to a Tella. And my dad was like...
I speak Hungarian.
I wish I did. But I speak Spanish. I grew up in Mexico.
Oh, really? ¿Hablas bien español o poco?
Sí, bien. En Chiapas, San Cristóbal.
Chiapas, eso está al sur.
Sí, entonces hablo como
Sube hacia el lado
chia-
Pacífico.
hablo como un indio, un poco.
Yo estaba en Chiapas.
Sí, en San Cristóbal es donde
Bueno,
crece.
yo andaba en un bote.
¿De dónde eres? ¿Usted?
¡Húngaro!
No.
Yes, but you don't speak Hungarian.
Well, could you teach me how to say I love you? Just like
It's very easy. Szeretlek.
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 Now, when my grandpa spoke, he sounded like Bela Lugosi. He was like, "How are you, granddaughter?" And I was always like,
Depends on the voice he has.
yeah, he's just this growl. You know, everything had a growl to it. So then years later, I met a man from like Turkey, and he sounded very much like my grandpa, like all this growling and stuff. So I don't. So not all Hungarians sound like that. No. Okay, so I don't have to sound like a growling bear.
No.
Okay. So it's like French. French
And your
can.
mom, no, not Hungarian, not like French.
I
Where's your
mean,
mom? And your mom?
my mom is English, Irish, and Scottish, and French. She's a Laval. So
Big
I'm,
mix.
yeah, I'm a quarter Hungarian and about 3/4 Celtic. You know, elfin queen. But my mom's like the super queen. She's 83 and I'm 60. So she said to me the other day, she says, "Honey, why is it that you don't look?"
She got married very young.
She did. I have 2 older siblings. She was very young. Their father, like I'm the firstborn to my dad. She had me when she was 22. She already had 2 kids. So when she had me, she said, that's when I learned how to be relaxed and become a mom and just nurse and enjoy my babies. But before then, it was like, you know, get them out of the diapers and then, you know, out of the, you know, she really wanted them. But by the time she had me, she's like, forget that. Just let the kids play and enjoy life.
You live here?
I live in Humboldt, yes. You want my card?
That is Eureka?
I'm going to, I'm going to become a YouTuber, a creator, and travel. And my brother and I are gonna share nursing responsibilities of my mom. So she fell 3 years ago and had some strokes.
Oh, that's bad.
And so now she's recovered, and if she's not drugged, she sounds really good. If she's drugged, she doesn't. Okay, so my name is Alicia Balasa, which I don't know how you in Hungarian grandpa would say it's Balasa. And then it was like, so when he never could say it. So could you say my name? How do you say How do you say?
Well, an S is like CH.
Like Shah, right? Like almost like Shah.
But no accent is, the A has O or A.
Ah. So what is
Open,
Ba?
open. If it has an accent. But these
Bala.
could have accents. If you don't put any accent, then it's Bolosho.
That's how Bolosha. That's how he said it. And you know what? That word, that name, is in the Bible in Numbers, but it's Balaam. And my phenotype, when they did the DNA, they said, well, you originally came from people who were like the Phoenicians, but then they went up to Mongolia and they blended there, and then they came into the Americas. Isn't that crazy? So I'm like the great-great-great-great-grandmother of the Native Americans.
Well, that's where they came from, Mongolia and the Hungarians.
I know. So
Herbal
hemp heals. Yeah, I do medicine. I make salves. My grandpa was a chemist, and I deliver to your house.
MJ, what's that?
Cannabis, medical marijuana. Yeah. Medical marijuana. Yeah, and I'm changing my name from Alicia to Alicia because that's what they called me in Mexico, the Indians. They call me Licha. So I'm going to make it Alicia, Chronicles of Alicia, Balaam, Balaam, and I'm on YouTube now. So I'm going to become a content creator. So if you friend me...
What is Humboldt? Humboldt, the county.
Yeah, you haven't been here very long.
Oh, about one day?
You gotta come have dinner at my house. I'll cook you some Hungarian like noodles.
Goulash.
Yes, I make it. I'll make you some goulash. My grandpa taught, my mom had to make goulash, and she taught me. I make the noodles from scratch and everything.
Oh my God, you work a lot.
Yeah. So, are you married?
I just divorced.
Isn't that wonderful? Sorry. Sorry.
Very.
Do you feel better?
Not really. I liked her a lot.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Does she have a lover? I hate to ask these kind of
No,
questions.
she says, "Here, meet my partner. It's another girl. She became lesbian."
That's disgusting. Was she much younger than you?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not, I wouldn't take it so personally that way because girls get tired of each other rather quickly. So that was just an excuse.
Right.
So don't feel bad. How old are you? 60, older than me.
Way beyond you.
Way
You don't need
beyond
to
me.
know. Doesn't make a change.
Okay, is that heads up or heads down in case we're lucky or something?
I give it to you. You saw it first.
But I'm just wondering, is it heads? Queenie, can you move? Because
This is heads
well,
heads down.
we should have bet before we.
No. I'm very lucky.
Thank
I'm
you.
very
I'm lucky
super
too. You
lucky.
know why? I was born in the year of the tiger. And guess what balam means? Guess what
You know about
balam?
Chinese stuff too.
Guess
huh?
what balam means in Mayan? Jaguar. Guess what it means in Hungarian Mongol Uruk? Tiger. Now that couldn't
No.
possibly be a yep. So
Tiger in Hungarian.
no, in Uruk, Mongol Uruk, where the root of the I don't know how you say it in
How
Hungarian.
did you come here?
Because I came to run my animal.
No. Like to live here.
Oh, my mother got all of us kids out of Los Angeles in '79. I was 16. So I've been here 43 years. But I raised a family up in
Is
Vancouver,
always this
Washington.
windy here?
Yes, this is the normal. Especially in April. But anytime. Like
Nobody goes in the water, no?
I have not gone in the water in 43 years except to stick a toe in. I stuck a toe. And there's great whites out there. So do you see any surfers? There's a reason there's no surfers.
White sharks?
Yeah. Enormous. They eat the seals and the sea lions. So yeah, it's serious business out here.
Are you filming some?
Yeah, I know. Us on our conversation because I'm a YouTube content creator.
Hola chico, what's his name?
Queen. It's a girl. She's a half Great Pyrenees.
She is very spoiled.
Oh, I have to get her a hamburger if I get one. She gets a pup cup when I get a latte through the drive-thru.
Alicia.
I live in McKinleyville.
Alicia is a very nice name.
My nickname is Lisa.
Well, whatever they want to call you, but Alicia is a very nice name.
You like that? They call me Lise. Lise, like Fleur de Lys. I think my dad purposely called me that because he was into hallucinogenics. So the Fleur de Lys in Egypt was the thing that they smelled in order to have good sex. Come on, jump. You want to sit with me?
I'm a ruling sound, yeah. I've got it down, yeah. We are married and
What do you mean when hallucinogenic?
Oh, like magic mushrooms? You know, like the red mushroom with the
I know.
with the white spots? That's
Doesn't
called
matter what.
Amanita muscaria, and that's been used in Siberia and in the northern areas, and also in Mexico, throughout Mexico, in all the highland places. Interestingly enough, that magic mushroom grows very well here. It grows here.
With what?
Grows here.
Ah,
It likes our climate.
but it's too cold here.
It likes it.
Okay.
It likes the fir trees, and it grows in December, or October to December is when you see it prolifically everywhere. The little red. It's kind of funny. So, I am going to get a passport here.
Look, there's two people there. Fishing.
Yes, we have some of the best fish in the world. Where are you traveling from? I live in McKinleyville, by the way.
That's not interesting. Where am I traveling to?
Well,
It's more
where?
interesting.
Well, sort of, but you're here now. But I mean, you're from Hungary.
Oh, I tell you
Are
in a
you
Muslim-
are you a
I
are you
was
a
born in
business?
Hungary.
Yes.
Am I what?
I mean, are you recently from Hungary, or you?
No. Oh, long ago.
Oh, long ago.
I mean, look at me. I'm not an 18-year-old guy.
Yeah, but I don't know. You could have just arrived from Hungary.
So I was born in Hungary, raised in Chile. That's why I speak Spanish.
Were you for Peron?
That is Argentina.
Yeah, I know, but they're right next to each other.
No, I was never for Peron.
They killed so many people that
But not
administ-
Peron. The other, the
What was
military
it?
after.
Yeah,
Peron.
after him. Yeah, the coup. We had a lot of people in our house in San Cristobal in '74 when it happened. Queenie, get in the back. Or was it December of '73? It might have been December '73 because I was young when it happened. Get in the back, Mama.
So raised in Chile, then I went to the university in Germany, and now I live in the US. Now you have the whole story.
What did you study?
I studied wood science, and I never practiced it.
Wood.
Wood, like wood.
Carpentry.
Yeah, carpentry, something like that, but really making nice furniture. And I never worked in that.
How interesting.
So, textiles.
I love textiles. My mother sold, she bought a lot of textiles that we sold in our craft shop that we had. We had like art, and then she promoted artists like me. I did illustrative art. My grandfather was a landscape artist, so I was the only one out of her 6 kids that just out of the womb, I basically was drawing. I was, as soon as I could sit up, I was at it. And when I was only like a year or 2 old, my mom and my dad already knew that I was gifted.
You were what?
Gifted. I was a gifted child.
We're all gifted.
Well, that's what
Something.
Picasso said. Picasso said, everyone is an artist. That's what Picasso said. Queenie, did you want to go back outside?
Well, Alicia, I'm going to continue my...
Pues, mucho gusto.
El placer es mío.
What is your name again?
Barnabas. Barnabas.
You never told me.
Never asked.
What a beautiful name. What do they call you for short?
Nushko.
Yusko. That's nice. My grandpa's nickname was Lotzi. Lotzi. He was Laszlo. Called him Lotzi.
Well, nice meeting you.
And I'm Licha.
Alicia.
Alicia.
Alicia. Give me a real hug. I'm a tango dancer.
Nice.
Okay. So I continue.
Yeah, please don't be a stranger. Call me and invite you over.
Thank you.
Do you like it here?
Well,
It's cold. It's a little bit cold.
I like the city a little bit. I find it romantic. It has some places that are...
San
some places
Francisco.
are there.
San Francisco is not so far away.
Oh, I know quite well.
Well, 6 hours hard drive, but you know.
It has some homes that resemble some of the homes in San Francisco. Some,
Victorian. They call
some-
it Victorian architecture. It's
But not many.
no,
Some.
yeah, we have it here. If in Eureka especially, but Arcata too. If you drive through Arcata, you will see lots of beautiful
What's the
homes.
difference between Eureka and Arcata?
Eureka is our like capital of Humboldt County. So like that's where the flagpole is if you want to demonstrate against the pandemic. I was the only one who stood in front of the stand up for our rights.
So in Arcata,
Yeah, Arcata is where Humboldt State University is. That's where I went to
so it's
college.
like
I have a
college,
master's.
like a college.
It's a university. Now they downgraded it it was a 4-year university, and you could get a master's degree. And now it's a
It doesn't matter.
technical school. They downgraded it.
And what did you study?
Anthropology.
Architecture. Anthropology. Ah. Okay.
My dad said, because I thought, since I grew up in Mexico with Indians, I want to be able to work with people, like, in some capacity.
Go to New Mexico or someplace. They're still finding stuff.
I know. I didn't do that.
Okay,
But
ciao.
I'm a cultural anthropologist. I'm not a archaeologist.
Cultural.
Yeah, but I study history too. So I do history seminars where I teach from the beginning of time forward. So I'll go back like protozoa, and from there we go forwards.
You know a little bit about the Hungarian history?
Yes, I do.
It's a very sad history.
Yes.
I've always been under some.
I love King Stefan though. King Stefan was very
the
kind.
First
And
king and last king.
And he gave all the Hungarians a passport, and he said, anytime, don't let those white people over there bother you. They being mean and calling us, were they calling us? Bloodsuckers and all kinds of horrible things. Yeah, whatever.
Ciao, chica.
Bueno,
Me voy.
adiós.
Me voy aquí.
Ándale. ¿Me llamas? ¿Me llamas?
No, yo me voy hoy día. I'm leaving today.
¿Para qué? ¿Para dónde?
Donde el viento me lleve.
Well, come have dinner with me tonight then. Ya te vas.
Ciao.
Okay, ciao. You can go on Facebook or Instagram and friend me, or YouTube, okay? Come on, Queen. Let's go. Jump, jump. Adios. Okay, let's get out of here.